Here I have Samsung Galaxy J5 2017 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on this device by using the Samsung Galaxy settings. At the very beginning, let's use your power key to unlock the screen. Here let's use the home screen and let's open the list of all applications. Choose settings, scroll down and choose general management. Afterwards you have to choose reset, select the factory data reset right here, read the information about the process and choose reset right here. If you are sure that you want to delete all personal information and downloaded apps, choose delete all, and the device is performing the hard reset operation. The phone is erasing all personal stuff. You have to be patient and wait until the whole operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset operation is done. Now you may start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.